How to see who viewed your threads on thread application. In this video, we will see how can you easily view the viewer list of who has viewed your threads on thread application. So without any delay, let's get into it. When you visit thread application's website and search for the viewer list feature, you will see something like this. Threads does not reveal who viewed your profile to protect everyone's privacy. That means you cannot see who has viewed your profile or your threads in this application. But if you want to protect your application from unknown users, then you are suggested to keep your thread profile private. But so far, the application has not released any feature which allows us to view the viewers who has seen our profile or our threads. So that's all. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.